So you might be in a position where your Instagram filters are missing, and this happens all of the time. And you might be trying to figure out how you can get your filters back on Instagram. Well, what you want to do first is you want to go and make your way over to your Instagram application. You want to swipe to the side, and you want to go ahead and find your filters. So for a lot of people out there, if you're talking about like these specific filters, as you can see, this usually happens because you may have location services off. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is making your way over to your settings of your specific Android or iPhone. You want to go down into privacy down here. So you can keep scrolling down until you see privacy, which is right here, privacy and security. Go ahead and find your location services and just make sure Instagram has location services on. If they don't have location services, that might be a reason why it's missing. So just go ahead and keep that in mind. Now, if you're talking about these specific filters up here, which are like these little like lenses and whatever these things are, well, you have to find the specific ones that are missing. So if a new feature just came out, for example, let's say you have your like location filter or you're mentioning somebody or whatever the case is, but let's say it's a new feature that just came out, well then you're going to probably have to wait it out until it's available in your area, in your city, in your country. Things like that happen and they get delayed. I don't get features certain times either when some other places do get them first. So you're pretty much just going to have to wait it out for the most part too. It's kind of just one of those things. So another thing you can do on top of that is to make sure you didn't change your accounts yet. So sometimes if you change your account from like a personal account or individual account to a business account, that can possibly be one of the reasons you're having issues too. So make your way over to your profile icon up here. You want to click up here in the top right. You want to click on settings just like this. And you want to make your way over to account. So click on account, and at the very bottom, where's a switch account type, you can click here, and you want to make sure you either like, let's say you're on a business account. Well, maybe the filters aren't available on a business account, but they were available when you were on your personal account. So what you can always do is switch in between your different accounts like that, and that can possibly be another thing that you do to go ahead and pretty much alleviate the situation. Although it's not perfect, it's another thing you can do to pretty much get there, and I think that's another thing you should probably consider doing. So that's the main thing. Now, let's say that still doesn't work. Well, the other thing you can try doing is to update your Instagram application. So make your way over to your app store right here, click on search, and all you want to do is just go and type in Instagram as you normally would. What you want to do there is just update Instagram, and that's another really easy thing that you can try doing. And a majority of times, that's probably going to be all you're going to have to do there as well. So in terms of that, that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.